Hello, hello. I, I don't know why. Always my camera disconnect. 1 second. That's fine. That's good. Now, so we will continue what we actually from where we leave it yesterday. I run it the application. So let's just index it. Let's run the application itself, and we can continue. All right, so here's where we actually leave it left yesterday. So right now, what we will do is here on the the composer sources are in Kotlin. We have the app. Yep. Here on the uncommon, we will create a new folder. I need to find out if we can actually do models, but it would be nice if we can actually do models there. But let's do it with packages right now. We will find out this one later. So this one is going to be the presentation model folder in this case. This one will be domain, and this new folder is going to be data. So this UI we have the composables, etc. This UI, the screens itself, we will move it into. Oh no, let's here on the screens itself we have the main. So let's create a new folder here on presentations called main. And here we will move let me just delete this. We can actually move this one like this. Yeah. This is the main screen actually. Perfect. On this we have this UI composables. We can actually move it here also. This screens, we can delete it. And then we have this composables, which is probably we're gonna move it on the presentation itself, and this UI we will delete it. Yep. So this composables itself, this presentation. I was thinking I moved the composable, the main, the composables outside. Yep. New folder. Yeah. I don't know what it is. If I find it, probably I will delete it, and that's all. No, nothing to worry there. I think no. I think I have some delay actually. Yeah. Preserve when recording. Preserve cutoff. Okay, so I removed the delay. Yeah, I added the delay when I was playing poker. But yeah, I think this is good. I think this is good now. Anyway, anyhow, let's do it in this. So now we have the presentation here in the domain, and here we have the data. One of the things I would like to do it today is let's add a coin, and let's add Cato because we will need it. And maybe we can play around how to get data and put it there. So first of all, Gradle. Here on libraries, let's make a space. Let's make a specific space, and let's see. This one is autocomplete? No, it doesn't know. We're gonna do autocomplete anyway. Coin.core. And here in coin.core, let's get it as like this, and yeah, and let me just get like this, and a newer version of coin. Ah, yeah, of course, yeah, coin. The version actually you can see here is 3.2. So we can actually get this, put it down. Yep, on this. We're gonna space, and because also we will do test. We will do the test here. And we duplicate it, and then we have Android. And this one is test. And we import him. Let me see if there is a new version. I'm just checking here, okay? Let's see if there is a new version. This is the Hello GMP. I wanted to go to the coin itself. All right. So which version can we find? So to current compose unstable is 3.5.6 looks like, and then the one for Wasm, it's in alpha. Anyway, anyhow, I don't want to. I'm not gonna complicate. I'm not gonna complicate my life on this one right now. I really don't want to. So let's go to the itself, and here on Android, we can actually put implementation, and then we can put leaves.coin.android, and in test implementation, we can actually put libs dot coin dot test implementation, and then for the common we're gonna use the core, and in iOS main dependencies here we will use the core also. Yep. Can I find the test implementation? Why not? Test. But you can find implementation. Okay, can find implementation, but no common implementation. All right. So I think I want to solve this one first. What I will do, basically, is I want to run under Studio actually. And here on Under Studio, you know, it's not a big issue. You know, you see, you guys might probably, but it's fine. I want to open, and then here on the, can actually put it here. Should be, I'm sure it should be able to find. Well, I'm sure it should be able to find the test implementation. How then we will do the test in the common module. Yeah, what is the issue here? Dependency test oh, okay. Okay, let me. Okay, I'm gonna comment this one first, and then let's try it. So let's get the indexing first. It should be able to find the test implementation, no? Or probably I'm wrong. Queremos póker. No hay póker. No hay póker. Póker está en el otro canal. Ahora mismo aquí programación. Es lo que hay. Tengo que ver tu nick. So. All right, so vamos. Let's go to the. I lost it. I think I lost the track completely. All right, so. Yeah, Under Studio. Let's go to Under Studio. Where are you, Under Studio? Well, oh, there you go. It's here. So there is. Let me check. Test. Yeah, it's there. Should be there. Cannot. So this is. So there is no such a test implementation. So how in the hell? How in the hell we will do the how in the hell we will do the test in this case? Can someone explain to me why? Okay, so if we go to the no samples, no real resources, no samples directory. There we go. Android instrumentation test, no. Android test. Android main, Android test Java, Android test Kotlin. I think it's that. Okay, so now we have so we have the Android test, sorry, new directory. Android implementation test now. What I want to is the we have Android test, Apple test. Let me see if there is test. Okay, this is main native test.kotlin. There we go. Test debug. There we go. Test. And then we have the Android test. It's gonna be a little bit of a mess actually. Yeah? So now let me just edit all this. Okay, so it doesn't find that as Android test itself. It should be there inside. Let's see the yeah. So me. I know. Let me find out. Test in KMP. I don't remember that it was test there. There you go. Stat test, common test, Android test. So this one, this test is the unit test. Android native. Let's see, Android test. No, you have Android target. Android native test. Is that the new name? We have common test. But we don't have Android test. Android main test? No. Implementation coin test. Okay. We know something else. So it's not like in Android where you need to put the test flavor or whatever. Which is probably makes a little bit of sense. But it's just we need to get used to. And just checking if there is something else, because here on this one, yeah. So we have this common test, but yeah, this one will be to test actually the common code. What about in the Android part code? Probably can be used, but how are we gonna set the target? For example, if you want to test the part of Android, for Android main Kotlin, determine current runtime. You can create a directory for testing, insert the src, which is the unit test, assets, etc. Yeah, but how we can add the libraries? This is I don't think it should be in this way. Soul detect os. Runtime name. Seriously? Android unit test. No, I don't think it should be in this way. Come on. You know, how is I want to test their own, you know, their own things. Let's see, and it probably will be this. So if there is Android native test, it should be new folder. New directory. So we have Android test, Android implementation test, Android main, Android tandem test. There is Android native, Android unit test, and Apple main, Apple test. One second, let me take the call. All right, and the video again. I don't know why the video. I don't know why the videos, you know, just lose it. Anyway, let's continue. Let's continue, because if not, we will never end all these things. So here inside of the main module, so let's have let's say the application module with the DI. So we create a new folder, curly DI for dependency injection, and then we can create a new class, and let's call it this app. Let's call this one app module. So here on the app module, let me see. This one will be completely empty at the moment. We will do different, we will do different things, but not for now. And we need to create the initialization actually. Okay, so in Android we need to create this one, the start coin. So this is the Android. So this is the Android main. So here on the common we have this one. So here we will create a new Kotlin file. Let's call it app, and this one will extend the application. And here on this one, in on create, let's override on create. Here below, we need to put the start coin part. This is the global. Yeah, okay. And import this one, and and we import the app app module. Later we will need to actually get all the list of modules here. This one is, this one is for maybe, now thinking properly on this, maybe we can do the start coin in the common module. But at the moment we will just leave it as it is right now. So we have the app module here on the perfect. And the in I cancel no. Here in iOS, let's do exactly the same thing. Let's create a data domain directory. In case we will need something specifically for this one. So here we have the start coin in iOS. dependency injection. Here on the dependency injection, we create a new class. Okay, so let me make it clear. Coin. This coin helper only will exist in iOS, because we will not use it in Android. Basically, we don't need to use it on the command. But I think somehow, somewhere, you know, we can actually create a start coin in command, and maybe we can reuse it. But let's just make it as it is for now. Then we have said, you know, the start coin. I mean, it's actually autocomplete. But you know, the part of Android context, we will not use in it, of course. So we just can command, just remove this part. Perfect. So we have this start coin here. Well, okay. Okay, so let's add it in the iOS. Let's go to the flat. Where is flat? Let me 1 second. Let me find out flat, because it should be here somewhere somehow. No? Flat. There we go. Is that where I cannot see it on the bar? Well, I have a lot of stuff which there we go. I can see it now. I want to put it there. So now here on this one, let's go to the iOS part, the iOS application. Here on the iOS app, we have this iOS app here. So here on this one, you can put init, and this inside. Oh, there we go. We can import. Import compose app. Import compose app. And here on this import compose app itself, this coin helper dot start coin. No, it's yeah. It's actually no, it needs let's put start. Initialize can be. And here we can actually rebuild it, no? Probably. I know it's flat. We'll rebuild the project. This issue about the test classes. Yeah, I think. Let me just find out, because I think we just need to add the biotop. Edit test classes line should be going in build.gradle.kts file within the Kotlin. So it should be here. There we go. That's it. So here. Then we have the initialize. Perfect. So now we have the coin initialize. Then we have the content view. Perfect. Let's see. Just gonna minimize this. I prefer to do it with Android Studio, to be honest. It looks like much better. Not much better as a IDE, but much better as for me, because I'm more used to do these things here, basically. One other things that I would like to include is Ktor client. And the Ktor client, and we have here this Ktor client. Okay, so we need the dependencies, and then we will take care of what the hell is the rest. So let's go to the. So let's go into the dependencies itself. Ktor IO into the Gradle. What is the Gradle file? Gradle. Yep. And this one, I want Ktor Android and the Ktor core. Okay, so it's Ktor core. Okay, I cannot see. So it's Ktor core, not Ktor Android. Let me add it as it is here. Yeah, look, I can actually copy all this like this, and I don't need to worry myself. But we have this Ktor. We need to add the dependency. Coin this as well. So about Ktor, we have this one there. Oh yeah, look, we have even here the dependencies. So, following the documentation for Ktor, we'll go to the yep, and here this one we can actually put no. Ktor core is in the common. I'm gonna remove this. And this is the common test also. We will take care about this when we actually have clear vision of what is required there. So here on the common, oh, we don't have coin. We don't have coin core here. Huh? Oh yes, we have the coin core. Sorry, it's there we go. Coin core, Ktor core, and in the iOS one, we need the Darwin. Oh, we also need the core. We also need to include the coroutines, which is good. We can actually edit it right now, so we can take care of it. So here on the Gradle file again. Here on, I'm gonna add it here, coroutines, and also the test because we will need it. And then we have the coroutines here on top, and we just can carry on. Oh, the HTTP. I don't think I put it the correct one. In Android is the okay HTTP. So here on this, in the Android part, yep. So here we put the libs implementation. We will take care of that later. So libs dot Ktor dot client HTTP. Perfect. For the Android part. And the Darwin for the iOS. This, and then in the command main we have the core for the coroutines, and we have coroutines also for the Android. Perfect. So we have the class greetings. Let me see. We're not gonna use this. We're not gonna follow this thing. One of the things I would like to also do is the BMO. Yeah, we have this one, dependency injection in Ktor. Oh no, this is Ktor as a server side. No. But the view, you have the view models here and everything, which is good. I'm just trying to follow the documentation, okay? So in this one. So now we need to create, the HTTP clients. And as we can see here, we just get, the HTTP client, etc. So in this Ktor, let me see. It will be body as a text. Yeah, it will print a lot of stuff there. We don't want to that. Anyway, anyhow, let's go to the common. And let's do this one. Let's do this one ourselves on this. So here on data, on the common, we create a new directory, and we call it this one, client, and a network. Let's call it network. And here on the network, we have a directory, we have a new class, and here in the new class we can actually call it, client. HTTP client. And this is gonna be unexpected expect class. And this instead of expect class, we will have the client itself. Expect express val client, and this one is gonna be a HTTP client. And here we will add it into the Android and iOS main. And we should have it also in iOS. Yeah. Okay, so it looks like now it is unified itself, which is good enough. Yeah, probably it is okay. So we don't need that separated client. It looks like now, before, not long ago, you need to create a separate client. Remove this. Let's go to the Android. Let's go to the Android part. But this one itself, let me remove it, because it's gonna be refactor. Where is the delete? Where we can actually delete it? We cannot delete it. Anyway. So here on the Kotlin side, we have this Kotlin. Yeah. Let me create this. I think it's gonna be better. I like to have these separations, let's say, because if not, the data is going to be like this. This actual expect actual classes include the interfaces, objects, annotations, enums, and actual templates are in beta. You can expect actual classes flag suspended this warning. Accidental override. Error gets private var. In my opinion, it's not even related, no? Or it is my... Alright, so it is not even related anyway, so... Or, I cannot see what is there. Anyway, we will leave it there. Okay, so we have... Okay, so we have it now that... Maybe we can do some tests. We can add the test from here, from this one. It should work. It should work naturally. I don't think it will be many issues there. But here on this one, we have this suspend. Yep. So once the class is this one, then it's no need to be. So in this case, we will be completely separated. Once the class, yeah, okay, I can understand now. So in these greetings, let's say, for example, you have this client, and this client will be something like this. I want to just test it. It's not the get there in the HTTP. Yeah. Okay. And then request. Okay, so this is the request, and what is the issue now? So the example itself, as it is right now, it doesn't help. Anyway, we don't need to. We don't need to add these things anyway. It's just how I was thinking. You know, it's gonna be a good idea, you know, to test it first, but it's fine. So this network itself, it will be single HTTP. Probably because I call it HTTP client, and I will be confused now. The class. Yeah, I don't want to. Then let's rename it. Yeah, creator client doesn't have a constructor. Of course, I have a constructor. What the hell is going? Okay, so we have now the Ktor. So now we have here the Ktor client itself. We have the client itself, and here on this one, we can actually have them. The thing I. No service. New. Weather service. And this weather service, we can actually put the HTTP client. Okay. And here, oh, yeah, it's actually making everything. All right, so yes, it's first of all, yes, it's suspend. Let's just remove this part. Get. Why is always keep it going, this one? There we go. Simple, easy. No, it's not a repository. And this weather service, it can be included. This directory. File. I need to create a repository for this, but let's just keep it simple. We will need the API key. Let's keep it like this at the moment. We will need to create. We need the API key, which is we will include it there. Sounds good. This one will send us an error anyway, but it's fine. Need to create the view. Need to create the view model. Hey, sorry. Sorry, sometimes I'm so focused. Hey guys, how are you doing? Sorry, I'm so focused sometimes, doing this code, and I completely forgot about the chat. No, I hope you didn't wait there that long. Oh, they left. Anyway, let's get here on this main screen. Main view. Oh, we need to add beam model. The beam. Yes, no, the beam model is for the part of Android. Yeah, shouldn't be the. I need to put the chat there because let me see if I can. I think the chat is here. Yep. All right. So now I have the chat there because we're not gonna miss it everything. All right. So now in order to actually get the injections, what we will need to do is go to the injecting in Android, and then you just get by inject, which is gonna be something like this. So if we go this main it's to ball request. We are not gonna be leaving the request there, by the way. This one need to be where the service, and this is just where the service is by inject. But we actually injecting here, no? We go to the Android part. val weather service, import the weather service. No, import the weather service. Sorry, well, it's gonna be okay. And by I don't think it should be like this. Let me find out how to add with coin in composables itself. Compose. There you go. We have here an amazing path. We say inject in Jetpack Compose. Coin application. Coin configuration is here. Okay. And this is in the preview. No, I don't want to do it in the preview. I want to do it. Okay, so we need to use coin inject then. So it shows here. Or like this, coin inject. Okay, let's do it. Let's use it as it is, as this one. Let's go to the main activity, remove this part. And then we can go to the main screen. And here on the main screen, just add coin inject. I think probably it will require another library. Starting coin with Jetpack Compose, coin application, or coin Android context. Most of the time, start coin functions is used to start coin in your application. This is done before running any composable function. You need to setting up compose with your current coin instance using coin Android context. Okay. So inside of the app itself, it actually say we need to do this. Also, if you want to start coin instance in your alternative, the compose coin application helps you to create coin applications instance as a composable. This replace start coin. Oh, okay. Okay, so coin application. Let me see. Oh, battery. So now let me see the dependency, because for any reason it doesn't detect anything inside of my command module. What is the grid? This is the Gradle. That's fine. Let me just reduce this. Open. We have a coin here. Okay. All right. Right, so this is all the libraries. Okay, so we need to use coin compose. Probably that is the one is actually missing. Let's try. So we go to the Gradle itself, and here on the coin dot compose. There is Android compose, but this one is just compose. There we go. And this compose itself, we can actually add it into the Gradle itself. Okay, so probably because I did something wrong when I actually declare it. No, coin compose is there actually. Okay, coin compose. It's not coin core, it's coin compose. Coin compose perfectly. Stop, it's perfect. Ah, there, because so now all this about compose multi-platform features, yeah. So just set coin instance compose context. Okay. It actually based on the okay. So here is actually request coin application, and the coin application actually has application. Something is wrong. Basically, this is what is required here. Oh yeah, because let me just go back. So this is the application itself, and this is the common coin open presentation. This is the main screen, but this is the app. And this is, yeah. Let me just remove this part also. And here on the app screen, it Start coin using the application. Okay, so but here is we need to start coin application itself. So it's very strange because probably I don't have the libraries itself. Hmm. So here on the library, it mentioned this. So compose multi-platform features. Maybe of course. So the reason is because we need the correct version. Yep. Most probably is that. So here on coin, the version is this. I think it's the same one, no? Yeah. Okay, let's use this. Now we can go to the application itself in Compose, the app, and try again. Coin application. The coin application we're actually getting is from the core. Let me remove it. I want to remove coin core from here. Okay. I don't even think we need this, but yeah, let's leave it as it is. Coin application. Not .ini. And now I import the models here. And here on the coin application application, and here on each side of the application, this is what the problem in the end was the version itself. Sometimes, especially now, it's so recent, we always have issues like this. But it's completely fine. At least we found the solution and we make a fix for that. So that's cool. So this is the compose for multi-platform, and this is the this is exactly what we actually see. So now all the configuration should be here. So if you see, we have the configuration there. So let's do it. Let's do it in that way then. So in this case, we have the list of, and here on the list of, we can actually have it like this also. And here on the list, we have modules. No, not this one. The auto completion sometimes it works a little bit strange actually. And now after this, if the compose preview with the coin, we get this, delete this part, and we can actually add it here. Then import. Cool. All right. So in this case, yeah, we didn't add it there, but we have this app. This just we need to delete it. Save to delete. Yeah, we don't need that part because we actually has everything here. We have the compose, and we have the weathers, the service weather. So we actually get the client and we add it there, and this is for iOS, and for Android it should be something similar. You know what? I want to remove it that. The network, this is not even needed, so I will remove it. Yeah, and also for Android, deleted. It's not needed. So before, when I did my first small projects, there was a need of actually added, but it's not needed anymore, looks like. So let's keep it simple. In this specific, if it's needed in the future, we can actually add it, but at the moment it looks like not. So let's leave it as it is. So now we remove this part, and if we go to the data and we go to the Ktor client, it will complain. So in this case, we just leave it as it is right now, and here we just put yeah, and this constructor probably is not needed anymore. Oh, no, probably is needed because if not we complain. So here on this, we still have exactly the same, but we don't have this duplicated code, which was exactly the same. Okay, so now we have the weather app, and we can go to the main, not to the main, to the app itself, to the app, and we have this app module, and here we can actually have val request. No. Coin inject. And this one is coin inject. All right. So now in this coin inject itself, we can actually put print line request dot get weather by city, and we put London. Of course, it's not gonna work because this one is also required. Okay, so launch effect a unit. I'm gonna put the stop there. Okay, we cannot do the Android, so let's use Fleet. Yeah. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I finished with errors. Okay. Let me run it in Android. Let's see if the errors are only in iOS. These greetings, I'm gonna remove it because I'm not needed. Okay, crashes there, which is okay. Let's go to the weather by the city. Let's put the breakpoint here. Let me get this one first. Let's get it's invalid API key. Of course, it's invalid API key because there is no API key basically. What I want to do is add this like this. We should receive all the HTML and everything. Error compose up process to come aborting season. Okay, what's the issue? is this? Okay, let's go to the Android. Do we have here something? Okay, we have the set content, which is the application itself. Cool. Is any let's see the lookat. Oh, seriously, sometimes. What? Use internet permissions ahora. Okay. I would love to. Let's see, what is let's see what is the issue itself. So if I run it correctly. It shouldn't, because if I run it with a breakpoint, it doesn't work. I want to know. Okay, look at. Is this one? Yeah. Okay. Why when I put the breakpoint it doesn't work? Why doesn't work when I put the breakpoint? Let me try again. Oh, now it works. Okay. I didn't do anything. I will check the video, but I didn't do anything. Anyway, anyhow, it works. Cool. Let me just remove this part. But yeah, to actually get, the weather service, we can actually inject that part, which is good. Let's get this one like this. Cool. So now here in the main screen, we can actually have this request. We can call it. And now this coin inject. Oh no, it's look 1 second. It works in Android. Do it works in iOS? Let's. I would like to test it in iOS first before I will continue. Maybe it's just running in an Android. Let me go to the app again. Can we put it back? This? All right. So now we can actually execute flet and say it into flet play Android iOS. Okay, iOS fails. Oh yeah, oh sorry guys, I don't think you can see it. There we go. You know, it fails. Couldn't find compose annotation notations. Okay, EOS build fails because JetBrains annotations and dependency. All right, so let me see. Okay, someone here has pasted. Thanks for this issue. Can you please provide minimal reproduce sample in GitHub? View actions run. Okay, actual, my error is slightly different. Okay, whatever. Okay. Confirming here's an update and CR1. I think it's a. This is what I'm checking. The solution is to find the dependency that depends 160 beta and downgrade it or ask the author to the library upgrade. Maybe. Pre-compose doesn't work. Compose multiplatform. Add WASM support. Maybe that is issues. I think it probably is the issue because it's an alpha library. Really bad. Really, really bad. Yeah. Compilation finish errors. Okay. We will take care of it in another moment. Let's do it in Android. So now we have coin loaded. Insert coin versions in GitHub. So the version we actually use it is this alpha WASM. Kotlin Multiplatform. Okay, this is to do the presenters and etc. and Kotlin Multiplatform. Yeah. Anyway, anyhow, no for us. Coin, Kotlin injections, nothing. Let's do the versions itself. So the version we're actually using is this alpha, but we have the beta 4, which is from May 2014. But it doesn't find it. We tried actually to use it. It doesn't find it. Let's try it again, but yeah. Newer version than 3 beta is available. Is the alpha. Yeah. So this is the latest version at the moment. That's bad. Actually, really bad. How we can actually... Up crashing iOS screen rotation. Beta install coin error can be run. Yeah. Very bad. So we can continue. We can continue this one. All right. So let's do things a little bit. Let's continue, and we can actually take care of that. We even can maybe work on the issue itself and raise a pull request for. That will be nice, actually. Open. We other. Ebima. So yeah. Sign in. I mean, I think I have an account and everything. Oh. I know, I have no account. Or maybe I lose the password. It might not found. Okay. That means I have no create an account. Suggest password. I agree. Consent on receiving information? Nah. Product news? Nah. Corporate news? Nah, thank you. Company? I don't have a company. Consulting, traveling, car. All right, so I'm adding. I'm gonna remove this one just for a bit, all right? And new file object. Remove, refactor, rename. Consta. It's just abstracted. Okay, so this one is an object. Because I put it the outside from the screen because I don't want to leak my conspal APK, and this APK is here. And this one, so now I can close this. And here, for example, private val we add this is the constants. With the constants dot base URL. And so here we're gonna get the this is the current weather, but we want to get the current weather based on the not the where we are right now, but where you know, practically any city we added anyway. So let's do it in that way. So no geolocalization. Sorry, I always remove the chat just in case. This is the course. No, I don't want that. I want the city. Can we? There we go. By city. City course geolocalization. No, city. Yeah, probably we can add the city. Yeah, that's it. All right. So let me just check one thing on the constant itself. Open API, open weathermap.org, data 2.5 weather. Perfect. Then come back. So this one is base URL, and after the base URL, 1 second again. Let's see. Okay, so you have no slash. Cool. So the so here we can actually add the part of here on the end. We add API key equals, and we pass the weather API key. All right. And now here we put city, and the equals, and here we will pass the city. We pass it on this one. Cool. Let's test if this one. Let's test if this one works actually. So now we go back to the app, not to the app, to the main screen, and here in the main screen we do exactly that. Val weather and because it's equal, and here on this we put launch effect, and the launch effect we will put let's put unit at the moment. Unit. Later on we will change it. Now we can run it. Should stop there. Oh, okay. We have the breakpoint here. Let's just move to the next. There we go. Oh, okay. So our API is invalid? Just I got the API. The API key is invalid. No. It's just okay. Let me just generate another one. Just my API key. Yeah. Right. All right. Let me just put the API key there again because. Cool. Let's test it again. It's impossible. I get the API all the time. Okay, we have 3 there, so. So we have the API key, this one. Okay, let me go to the copy value. Let me see if it's probably something wrong from my side. It could be. Okay, well, let's see what it says. 401. You did not specify the API key. That's not correct. It's there. Your API key is not activated yet. Within the next couple of... okay. It will be activated, ready to use. Okay. All right. That is complete. That is complete different story. You're using wrong API key request. You're using a wrong API in API request. Please check the personal account. Okay. My services. No. Yeah, exactly. Everything is correct. I think it probably because the API is not activated yet, which is very bad in the same way, but it's fine. So few things we can actually do meanwhile is we just close, we just close here, and we just can go to the app itself. We have the app module in the app screen. Last time we created the top bar and the search. All right. So the search, we have this location. This location will change all the, this location will change all the time on the value change. But actually what we want to do is change when we actually press enter. So we can actually have a look, because it's not will. Every time we change one word, it will make a new request. So this is something it would be nice actually to have settled, basically. Or maybe we can just add on value change modifier, enable, say placeholder, visualization, keyboard options, nothing, single line, nothing. It's fine. It's completely good. It's fine. All right. So here on this one, on this item, is we say we don't gonna display only one item. We're gonna display at the least a list of items. So we can actually get this, take it out, and here on the presentation itself, we have this. We have the list, and Let's go back to the screen again, and we can actually put a list. Lazy column. Hey, why lazy column is not there? Because it's capital. Import, and then we have this one. Cool. You know, we have the column there. And let's fix this, the list itself. I don't remember. Let me see if I can actually find the designs we got last time. Oh yeah, in these icons itself. Here on the icon, this one, we need to put different weathers. The solar, etc. The API, one call API docs, current weather data, current data for 4 hours, one call API 3.0. Oh no, this is, I think this is different. We go here. One second. So here itself. Not sure if we actually will get the data as it is here right now. We have a weather icon ID. Okay, the icon ID is 10. How to make an API call, that's absolutely fine. But I would like to know how many different categories of weather. Weather description, weather condition ID, weather main is gonna be cloudy, snow, clouds, etc. This is the weather main. But this doesn't explain temperature, wind, clouds, visibility, precipitation, weather, number, value, icon. And also we cannot even test it, no? Oh, there we go. This one is Y probably, because it's not city, it's Q. So Q, city name, and then with the, all right, let's try it that way. Maybe weather service. It's not city, Of course it's not. Weather Q. Is like this. Another fixed solution. Built-in apps at this one. So this is the weather, Q, city name, and then the API key. So you can put even the commas between, and then put this one. Oh, well. And now I need to change the API keys. Click. All right, just let me just change the API keys. And now also I'm gonna go to the API, to the guide itself, current weather, API docs. I'm gonna try to put everything, the string as it shows. But okay. And the API key. Is perfect. Shouldn't be any issues. Shouldn't be any issues, except if when we actually make the call, no, it's perfect. If it doesn't work, it's the API key. It's not validated yet. It's not whatever. Yeah, it's no problem from us. Except if we put here, I don't know, UK. I don't think so. I think it's gonna be the same. We can actually put commas and between calls. Yes, it's fine. I'm not gonna bother. I don't wanna bother for this one anymore. Anyway, so now we have this item. Now we have this item list, etc. So let's make it. Well, it depends. What time is it actually? How long are we here? So we've been here for quite a long time actually. I'm not exactly. Let me see if I can actually see the timing. Probably will be like a couple of hours, no? Or something like this. Anyway, anyhow. Impossible. Let's do that. Let's do a preview. And Ah. Let's go to the... No, we have this one here. We have the preview. Yeah, we have preview. Very strange, actually. Anyway, anyhow. I want to split. Let's see if I remember in this new IDE, because before was there, the icon now is gone. How I can see this is so hiding tabs now. I want to see the preview. Okay, that's good. Okay, but let's do it in the gonna make it this one like this, and the iOS emulator I'm gonna remove it. So here we have the card, and inside of the card we have this 8, which is the and the content we have a row. Here we have elevation, content, shape, etc. Okay, inside of this row then we will put modifier, and inside of the modifier we will put modifier dot fill max. Fill max say I don't think so. It should be bueno, maybe. And here on this one, max height, I want to put the background color just for the sake of see what's where is the container itself. I will remove it later. Wow. Oh yes. Yes. Because the row itself is the first row. Yeah, forgot that. I'll remove that. So what I want to do is the first column here, this column. So here on this one is fill max height. And now here, let's put the background color. Gray. Sometimes, being honest, the auto completion is really bad. Cool. This one's like this, and it's a vertical arrangement in the center. But let's remove this and import it. kind of. And this is horizontal. No, alignment, no? Alignment dot center. Kind of, yeah. I see. Vale. No, it's not arrangement. No line. How I can. There's a lot of stuff. I want to, separate it. Distribute in the column. I want to distribute it in the column with the space, space between, basically. I forgot how can I do the space between. Let's check. Okay, GitHub Copilot. Do some job today. What can I make column content with space between space between oh, cool. Space around, space between. You see, that's why sometimes. Let's run it again. Space evenly. No. Oh, I think every time I call it, I make an API call. So let's go to the main screen and let's comment this part. Okay. It looks quite a little bit much better now. And we want to do the same with this one. Let's go to the items itself. This is the right, weather list right column. And here on the right column, we can, let me just make it smaller. And here on the right column itself, same thing. Horizontal arrangement, center horizontally, vertical arrangement evenly. Oh yeah, because we need to fill max 8. Yep. But I think in this case the column is smaller. So what we're going to do is we will change a little bit the width. So here on this one, we have this icon which is 50%. So we're gonna take 20%, the 50% of the row of the card itself. So we will change it, and we're gonna make it a. So look, we're gonna put this one here like this, 50, but the other two also is gonna be 50. So it's gonna they're gonna take the same space basically. So this is the right and the left here also. And now this one should looks much better because we get some extra space. There we go. It's just, and I think that's correct actually. And yeah, I think basically that's all. No, basically that's all because I'm quite tired actually now. I don't know how long we will be here. Probably 2 hours or something. And we have in YouTube we have none. Well, we have 9 people in Twitter, in X. That's quite impressive actually. I put it in Twitter just to try yesterday and today, and this where more people is 9 people. And yeah, also in Twitter, in Twitch we have 1, and in Facebook we have absolutely 0, like in YouTube. That's fine. Cool. So things I learned today basically because I didn't know is on now we have this compose coin compose, so you can initialize it there if you will use for iOS. It will not work basically for now. And yeah, we add the cater, we make the call. It's fine, you know. I'm gonna change it now, and I'm gonna remove that the API call. That's it. I just want to try again. So I just want to try again, in case it works. And if it works, maybe we can do a little bit more. If it doesn't work, please. Oh, there we go. Magic. We have the weather. Okay, what we get in the weather? So we have description, clear sky, the icon, base, bam. That sounds really good actually. That sounds really cool. Sounds really cool. So maybe we can actually get this. We go into the domain, and here we get new directory. We call it data. Data model. Yes, data model should be there because we need to actually data. And here we put model. And here inside of the data model we get new Kotlin class. No. New I think I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it everything on my own in this one, you know. So, but there's plugins here. Plugins, yes. JSON to Pojos to Kotlin. JSON to Kotlin. Generate, I don't remember exactly. Which one was the one I was using? I don't remember. JSON to Kotlin class? Oof, it's a very long time ago, I didn't use it. Okay, let's try again. New, JSON to Dart, no. JSON to Dart, yeah. All right, so format. Class is gonna be whether the weather model. We can call it. Yeah. So we have the weather model, and then we have all this, which is quite good. And this weather model here on this one, this I know. This body response body no, I don't remember how we can actually parse. Let's ask Magic Copilot again, please. How I can parse. So this is the body as a text, and we can actually really no. Can we run this one like this? Okay, let's try. I don't remember it was like this. We can actually try, but I don't remember it was like this. Body as a text. And okay, we try, but I think it's not. Okay, let me just make it in this way. And now we can actually get the... We'll see. We will see. We will see. And this one is this response. And this JSON probably will need to come from the application. No. This JSON will need to come from the cater. No? Where did that come? You know, where this JSON is come from? Let's see. Kotlin serialization. Okay, we don't have the Kotlin serialization in this one. This one, we don't have it. No, it's not the same. We don't have a Kotlin serialization. All right, so in this case, we need to bring it Kotlin serialization. Kotlin. Is this one? Yeah, looks like. I'm gonna put it here. But it doesn't matter really. And this one we can actually add it into the common. Synchronization. Okay. Let's stop this one there at the moment. So now we can actually add the dependency. Where are you? Here. Just add the dependency. Why not? Transforming native main. Oh, okay. Oh, the probably is the probably there is not Kotlin serialization. Let me see. I need to find the correct. Kotlin 2.0. Okay. So this one is actually using Kotlin 2.0, and okay. So this Kotlin serialization is there, but probably isn't. I don't call it correctly. I think this one is the. Yeah, but this one is not. Artifact that contains all serializations. Okay. And what is? All right. So I think the problem. Let's find out. This is the problem. So we need to use this one. Looks like. It looks like. The 1.7 RC. But also we have this plugin serialization or Kotlin multiplatform. Oh, this one. Okay, so maybe let's try it. So we have this Kotlin multiplatform here. Say a plugin. We probably will need to actually put the plugin serialization. Let's see if we can actually let's see if it's working with a 1.7. Should be. Let's see if we can actually. Cannot resolve. Serialization. Exactly. No, still not getting it. So the Kotlin DSL serialization plugin. Now is 1.7 RC. Plugin. Oh, okay. Oh, probably it's not for this one. I think my brain doesn't work. I think my brain doesn't work anymore. Being honest. what I'm gonna do is I will remove it, that part. I will leave it this. It's not the content. It's not the JSON content. It's not the JSON content. But another thing I can do this one is with JSON. This one is bastante. But speaking Spanish. Yeah. So with JSON, this one was quite easy doing with JSON actually. We just need to get the string, pass it there with the JSON, and that's it. But being honest with you, I think we're still having errors. Oh yes. Kotlin plugins on line 5. Oh no, we didn't change anything there. Oh, line 5 plugin, yeah. Okay. It says it was already requested. There we go. Let's just I make it this one. I think we will leave it as it is now. He's quite late actually, and I don't know how long have we been here actually? Wow, you know, I can't believe it. I can't believe it actually. It's 13 people in Twitter. Why? Are you guys in Twitter actually watching this kind of content? Is anyone can comment on something? Why I have 13 people watching this one in Twitter? I cannot understand it. Wow. Anyway, anyhow, hope everyone have a good night, good morning, good evening, whatever you are, guys. All right, and we will continue tomorrow. We'll just the only thing practically missing is parse the code, put it there, and change the city with the text field. Add some unit test, and we will try also to add view model and room if we can, in order to actually save the persistent data and nothing else. Okay, but this one we will see tomorrow because today is quite late, and yeah, was very nice still with you guys, and see you tomorrow. All right, bye guys.